So I made a full video yesterday about what I'm about to show you. So my camera, the mic on it, apparently didn't want to work. So every bit of the video that I did yesterday, there's no audio. But I figured I would at least let you hear it and see it and all that about what I did. So here it is. 4.2 to 2-to-1 header, except without the rest of the exhaust. And it runs up and goes to 2 flappers. But it's just a normal header, flipped, and welded by my good friend Hunter. Sounds amazing. I love it. I'm about to go up to Chance's right now, but figured I would show what it sounds like and whatnot, and what it sounds like while I drive it. It's a little loud. But well worth it. I mean, I was on it decently. I wasn't floored or anything because this car don't go anywhere as is. But just cruising sounds good. Sounds really good. Then whenever you give it gas, oh, okay. What about now?
You scared my dog.
I'm sorry.
I think that was loud enough. I think that was pretty good.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, the audio didn't fuck up. Because the mic, no, the audio cuts out like completely sometimes.
You should point it in your exhaust or something, and then it should be Carl Weezer.
I'll just put you in there.
I don't want to be in there.
Come on, stand over there and do it, and I'll put you in there.
I don't want to be in there. Make Aaron do it.
I ain't doing that.
Come on, dance, Aaron.
I can't dance.
Alright, like, comment, subscribe, bye.